Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing retirement visas here in Thailand. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, pattayamail.com. Article's titled, Thailand's Medical Insurance Rules for Foreigners Are a Muddle. Quoting directly, foreign retirees with one type of yearly visa known as OA require medical insurance on an ongoing basis, while those with a similar O type do not. The difference is that OA is initially awarded by a Thai embassy abroad, whereas the O is an annual extension of stay issued by a different agency, the Immigration Police, and they're under the auspices of the Ministry of Interior. Meanwhile, the embassies and consulates abroad are under the auspices of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. And there is a difference in terms of policy. Again, this is kind of a review video for a lot of folks that watch my videos. This will be very much a review. OA retirement visas, which are issued by embassies and consulates abroad, do require insurance in order to be issued, and it is required to maintain said insurance when extending that status here in the kingdom. The O retirement visa, which is a different animal, does not require such documentation when either obtaining it or extending it. So this is a fundamental difference in terms of requirements associated with maintaining and extending immigration status as a retiree here in Thailand. So a lot of folks ask me what's the best way to come into Thailand. For the most part, and there are folks that may benefit from other types of visa categories, if you're over 50 and meet the requirements, the O retirement visa, to my mind, is about the most optimal visa to be in terms of retirement. You're in that status. We've seen in the past that when there are rule changes, they've grandfathered in the folks that were in the prior iteration of the rules. I tend to think that if there was some massive overhaul at immigration where they fundamentally changed retirement visas, and it looks like they're talking about that, I'll get to that in another video, but if they were to do that, I suspect that probably, again, it's not a foregone conclusion, but probably the O retirement visa, probably the OA retirement visa, the terms and everything associated with that status would maintain and remain sort of grandfathered in for folks in that status. So the thing to take away from this video is, while it's kind of becoming a passé type visa these days, in a lot of cases, the O retirement visa may be the most optimal way of maintaining long-term visa status for the most reasonable cost and under the best terms here in the Kingdom of Thailand.